Alright, so I'm here at the new house that my dad is currently remodeling. And out on the back porch here are 3 fans that I installed today. They are Patriot lightings from Menards. And so I'm going to do a video of them. This is the new house that we've been working on for the past 7 months. This has been our coronavirus getaway, I guess you could call it. You know, I know a lot of people were out of work, but we weren't. We were not out of work. So, that's good. So anyway, I put these fans up today, and so they are, since they're Menards fans, you know, they're not the best quality, but they still run pretty good. And the blades, I really like the blades because they go real good with the rock color out here. This is an old rock house built in the 1930s, and we are remodeling it because it's being turned into a wedding venue, and he wants to open up. The owner wants to open up in a couple of weeks, so we got a couple weeks to get it done, and we still got quite a ways to go, so gonna be a close call. So, but anyway, so yeah, I'll try and remember to do a full house tour before we get it done. So, yeah, all right. I guess I'll start the demonstration now of these. go ahead and do a spin down just for the heck of it. Looks like this one's probably going to stop first. And it is actually the slowest of the three. Yep, that one stopped first, and then one down there is probably going to stop next, looks like. I don't know, it's going to be a close call. These both are about as fast as each other, so. All right, well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.